Good morning, Year 10. I hope you're well and having a lovely day. Please could you write the date and the title, theme park planning, the land and restrictions, please. For today's lesson, you'll need your exercise book or computer, pen and pencils, and planning proposal format, which you should be able to find on class charts. Can I first say that I've looked at some of your ideas for your theme park and I've been really impressed. There's some really creative and interesting ideas that have been put on the class chart, so thank you very much. Okay, so for your do now, what aspects of the land do you have to consider in your park design when you develop it? Pause the video for 5 minutes to do this now. Okay, so planning permission. The land that has been bought for the development of the Wenning theme park needs planning permission. You need to consider how to deal with the following. There is a lake on the land. How can that be worked around or incorporated? There is an old protected ruin on the land. How will you ensure it's not damaged? There is a small village on the edge of the land, which has the only road to and from the land where the theme park will be built. What will you do to ensure the village people don't object to your plans? These aspects have to be considered in your request for planning, your solutions and suggestions. Okay, so we've got a few new problems to consider. A rare newt has been found in the lake and must be protected. Villagers are concerned about pollution and will vote against the theme park if this isn't sorted. And finally, it's been discovered that the ruin is actually Henry VIII's summer house, and the Heritage Trust want to buy the land so they can make it into a tourist attraction. So, let's talk about how to write your proposal for planning permission. You've got the document you need attached. You need to find solutions to these problems and the original ones. You have to put together a proposal of your theme park where you acknowledge the issues and you set out your proposed solutions. You need to be informative, explain your ideas clearly. Your audience is adult. Language should be formal. Use all aspects of deforest. Statistics and facts will be especially important. Consider these points. Have you reached your conclusions? Imagine that you have carried out research that includes responses from the local residents, experts regarding nature, and national heritage. Is it possible to work with them? A feasibility study would take into account your park concept, the local market and tourist market, and industry trends and local competition in order to estimate costs, revenues, and how many first-year guests you can expect. This last number is hugely important, as the number of first-year guests expected will determine the impact on the local area and that the park and roads can accommodate them. Refer to your imagined feasibility study to show you have thought through these aspects. What will the benefits be to the local area? The construction will be 2 to 3 years. Having roller coasters will mean it takes 3 years. How will that impact the local community? Could you use local companies? So I'd like you to spend the rest of the lesson completing the document attached. So pause the video and complete that document. Okay, so hopefully this document has now been completed. Remember to upload it to ClassChart so I can have a look at what you've done, and also keep it safe for next lesson because you'll need it for the rest of the lessons on the theme park project. So thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson and I'll see you next time.